Look at these two designs. Same content, same goal, but one was made in Canva and one was made in Adobe Express. And here's the thing, most people pick their design tool based on what their friends use, not on what actually works better. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how they compare, feature by feature. 10 features, 2 tools, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one is right for you. Feature number 1, Resize. This is a big one. In Canva, you have magic resize. You design something for Instagram, and with one click, you can resize it for YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest. But here's the catch. Magic Resize is a pro feature. You need Canva Pro to use it. Now, Adobe Express has a resize feature too, and it works the same way. One click, multiple formats. But Adobe Express takes it a step further. When you resize, it uses AI to expand your background. So instead of awkward cropping or stretching, the image fills the new format naturally. And here's the pro tip. Adobe Express includes resize in its free plan. Canva does not. That alone could save you $15 a month. Feature number 2, background remover. Both tools have this, and both use AI to do it. In Canva, you click background remover, and it works well. Clean cutouts most of the time. But again, it's a pro feature. Adobe Express also has background remover, and the quality is comparable. Sometimes Canva edges it out on hair and fine details. Sometimes Adobe Express handles complex backgrounds better. But the real difference is access. Adobe Express offers background remover on its free plan. Canva locks it behind Pro. Now, here's a pro tip. Test both on the same image. You'll see which one handles your specific content better. But if you're on a budget, Adobe Express wins this round by default.
Feature number 3, Smart Mockups. This is where you take your design and place it onto a real-world object. A t-shirt, a phone screen, a poster on a wall. Canva has mockups built in. You drag your design into a frame, and it looks professional. Adobe Express also has mockups, and here the Adobe ecosystem gives it an edge, because Adobe has thousands of high-quality stock photos and mockup templates powered by Adobe Stock. The visual quality is slightly more polished, but Canva's mockups are easier to use. Fewer clicks, more intuitive. If you need speed, Canva. If you need polish, Adobe Express. Feature number 4, Color Palette from Image. This is a feature most beginners never think about, but it saves so much time. In Canva, you upload an image and it extracts a color palette automatically. 5 colors, ready to use. Adobe Express does the same thing. Upload an image, get your palette. The difference? Adobe Express connects directly to Adobe Color, which gives you access to millions of community-made palettes. And those palettes follow professional color theory rules. Complementary, analogous, triadic. Canva's palette tool is simpler. It works, but it's limited. Now, here's a pro tip. If you want deeper color control, use color.adobe.com alongside Adobe Express. It gives you even more palette options than what's built in. Feature number 5, AI Image Generator. And this is where things get really interesting. Canva uses magic media. You type a prompt, it generates an image. It works, but the quality is hit or miss, especially for realistic images. Adobe Express uses Adobe Firefly, and Firefly is built on Adobe's own image library. That means the training data is commercially safe, no copyright worries, and the image quality is noticeably better, especially for photorealistic content. Canva gives you 50 credits on the free plan. Adobe Express gives you 25 monthly credits on free. But the quality per credit is higher with Firefly. If you're generating AI images for a product or a book cover, Firefly is the safer, sharper choice. If you're finding this comparison helpful, hit the subscribe button. I make tutorials exactly like this one, step by step for beginners. And we're only halfway through. There are 5 more features to go. Feature number 6, Content Planner. Both tools let you schedule posts directly from the editor. Canva's Content Planner is clean. You connect your social accounts, pick a date, and schedule. It works well for basic scheduling. Adobe Express has a content scheduler too, and it includes something Canva doesn't, social safe zones.
When you design a post, Adobe Express shows you exactly where the platform interface will crop your image. Profile pictures, buttons, text overlays, you see it before you post. That alone saves you from designs that look great in the editor but get ruined by Instagram's layout. This is a small feature that makes a big difference.
Feature number 7, Brand Kit. If you're creating content for a business or a channel, brand consistency matters. Canva's Brand Kit stores your logos, colors, and fonts. You set it up once, and everything stays on brand. But Brand Kit is a Canva Pro feature, and it's limited to one brand on Pro. Adobe Express also has a Brand Kit, and it stores your logos, colors, and fonts too. But Adobe Express includes Brand Kit in its free plan. And on the premium plan, you can manage multiple brands. Now, here's a pro tip. If you're running more than one brand, like a main channel and a second channel, Adobe Express makes it easier to switch between them without paying extra.
Feature number 8, AI writing. Canva has Magic Write. It's powered by AI, and it helps you generate captions, headlines, and body text inside your designs. It's useful for social media posts especially. Adobe Express has AI text generation too, powered by Adobe Firefly. And it does the same thing. Captions, headlines, descriptions. The quality is comparable. Both tools give you decent first drafts. But here's the difference. Magic Write in Canva gives you a limited number of uses on the free plan, and more on Pro. Adobe Express includes AI text generation with your monthly Firefly credits. If you're already using Firefly for images, the text generation feels like a natural extension of the same workflow. AI helping AI. And that's a theme we come back to a lot on this channel. Feature number 9, frames and grids. This sounds simple, but it matters more than you think. In Canva, frames let you clip images into shapes, circles, hearts, device screens, and grids let you create photo layouts quickly. It's one of Canva's strongest features. The drag and drop is smooth. Adobe Express has frames and grids too, but the selection is smaller and the workflow isn't as smooth. Canva has been doing this longer, and it shows. If you create a lot of photo collages or shape-based designs, Canva is faster and more flexible here. This is one of those rounds where Canva clearly wins. Feature number 10, presentation mode. Both tools let you create presentations. Canva's presentation mode is full-featured. Speaker notes, transitions, remote presenting, it's genuinely good. I've used it for real presentations. Adobe Express also has a presentation mode. It works, but it's more limited. Fewer transition options, no remote presenting. But here's what Adobe Express does that Canva doesn't. You can turn your presentation into a video automatically with animations and timing. For content creators who want to turn slides into YouTube content or social clips, that's a game changer. If you present live, Canva. If you create video content from slides, Adobe Express. Let's recap. 10 features compared. Here's the quick breakdown. 1. Resize. Adobe Express wins on free access and AI expansion. 2. Background remover. Adobe Express wins on free access, quality is close. 3. Mockups. Canva for ease, Adobe Express for polish. 4. Color palettes. Adobe Express wins with Adobe Color integration. 5. AI images. Adobe Express wins with Firefly quality and commercial safety. 6. Content planner. Adobe Express wins with social safe zones. 7. Brand kit. Adobe Express wins with free access and multi-brand support. 8. AI writing. Tie. Both are solid. 9. Frames and grids. Canva wins clearly. 10. Presentations. Canva for live presenting, Adobe Express for video output. So which one should you use? If you're on a budget, Adobe Express gives you more for free, period. If you create social content, Adobe Express has the edge with safe zones and video conversion. But if you love photo collages, frames, and live presenting, Canva is still the better choice. And honestly, you can use both. They're free to start. If this video helped you, hit the like button. subscribe to Inspirio Tutorials for more step-by-step guides for beginners. And we'll see you in the next one.